got some new products here at SMKW. We are always excited to bring you new stuff. No, I'm not pregnant. No, I'm not pregnant. There is a glow about me, though. We got some new products here, folks. We are always so excited to bring you guys new products, and we've got some really cool stuff to show you here. Before we get started, though, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that notification bell so you will know when we drop new videos and have new products to show you. Now, without further ado, it's not... Wait. Light it up. New product. So, there is a glow about SMKW. Now with Glow Rhino. So, Glow Rhino is a new brand that we are now carrying here at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And it's kind of interesting. So, we do have a couple of knives from Glow Rhino. We also have some of their products available in our custom shop as well. And we're going to get into all that here. But first, we're going to take a look at a couple of their knives. Now, these are going to be the Glow Rhino reactors. We've got them in the satin finish, and we've also got it in the black PVD finish. We're going to take a look at those up close. So first, we're going to take a look at the satin reactor. And this is a really, really good-looking knife. Simple design, fits really great in the hand, and it's overall, I mean, just a great product. Very well done. Awesome materials go into this. So this is going to be a titanium frame lock. All right. You can see the titanium frame lock right there. Deep carry pocket clip. It is not reversible. It's a one-way pocket clip. S35VN blade steel. And it's a 2.9-inch stainless steel drop point blade with the satin finish. It is a manual folder with the flipper. Titanium handles. Like I said, it's 2.9 inches closed, 5.8 inches overall, weighs in at 2.39 ounces, and made in the USA. And you'll notice something a little bit different. So you'll see this little square right here on both sides. That is a tritium insert, and that's where they get their name, Glow Rhino. That is a tritium insert. If you're familiar with firearms, and especially with night sights, whether it's actual iron sights or things like Triticon ACOGs that the military uses, you'll know that they use tritium inserts. So these are inserts that glow naturally. They don't have to be charged by light. They glow, and they have a great shelf life. I've talked about them before. I've got a CZP01 that I absolutely love. It has the original factory night sights on it, and this gun was manufactured in the late 2000s and still glows great. The tritium inserts have a wonderful shelf life on them, and these are really, really cool products. Really great, really well made, USA made knives. $199 on these, and that's going to be for the satin as well as the PVD coated one as well. Let's take a look at that one up close. Now, these are also going to come with the integrated lanyard hole and spacer right there on the back end, and I would say that this could be used as like a breaker tool. It's probably not technically considered that. It doesn't have a ceramic ball on it or anything like that. This one also has the deep carry one-way pocket clip, S35VN blade steel on that one as well. And you all know how much I love the S35VN on the blade steel. It's a great all-around blade steel, one of my favorites. And the action on these is fantastic. The lockup is great. You can see it right there. Great lockup. I would say somewhere in the neighborhood of 30-35% lockup, which is exactly what you're looking for on a frame lock especially. And these things look incredible. Now, it would be difficult for us to show actually on video how these look in the dark. I tell you what, I am going to throw in some B-roll here of what these products look like in the dark. It's going to be difficult to get that footage here in the studio, but we will definitely get that and show these to you. Now, that is not all that Glow Rhino makes. They do have their knife line, but they actually started out making custom parts for knives. So we're going to take a look at specifically some stuff out of our custom shop. First off, we've got a key fob here, which is really cool. Now this is a key fob and breaker tool right here. We're going to take a look at that one up close. You can see it's got the point on the end. This is a titanium fob, and it comes also with the split ring that goes in the back end here. I didn't actually put it on this one because I just got this one straight out of the box. But a great little key fob that's going to allow you to find your keys in the dark. So if you drop your keys at night or something like that, or are looking for them in the dark, don't have a light, they're going to glow nice and bright with that key fob there. They've also got a pry tool, which is also a great key fob as well, and a very useful pry tool. This one's going to have the bottle opener right there, so you can enjoy a nice cold one. Also got the pry tool on it, so you don't use your knife as a pry tool. And it's also got the flathead on the back end right there. And that one's going to glow as well with the tritium insert right there in the handle. Now, when it comes to their custom products for their knives, you'll notice this is a traditional Benchmade right here, Benchmade bug out. And we have outfitted through our custom shop one of our regular Benchmade bug outs here. This one's coming in a total of $269. I don't think we have it up on our website yet, but we do have this one for sale for $269. That is the original bug out plus the aftermarket scales, the axis lock, and the thumb studs, which all have tritium inserts in them. And that is a really cool feature. So the tritium insert is in the axis lock, it's also in the thumb stud, and it's also in the scales on both sides right there. And I mean, it really sets this bug out off. Really great. You know, maybe again, if you drop your knife in the dark at night sometime, or if it's on your nightstand, you're looking for it, you can't find it, it's going to glow. And I tell you what, if you haven't experienced tritium up close and in person, it's going to glow pretty daggum bright. Now, the pricing on all of these different parts. For the bug out, the axis lock is coming in at $24.99. The thumb studs, I believe, are $24.99 as well. The pry tool, that one is coming in, let's see, the G10 and tritium scales for the bug out are coming in at $59.99. And that's going to be for the bug out scales, as well as we've got them for the Spyderco Paramilitary 3. So you can get the Para 3 scales as well with the tritium inserts right there. The thumb studs are coming in at $24.99. We've got them in black, and we've got them in the satin finish here. The satin finish just looks really cool with the black blade and the tan G10 handles right there. That's why we've outfitted it like that. And then we've also got the axis lock for the Griptilian. And that not only fits the Griptilian, but it also fits a couple of other models. It fits the 818 Mini Loco and the 710 series knives from Benchmade. But more famously, it fits the Griptilian there. Also, the fob here, that one's coming in at $39.99. We've also got a smaller fob that doesn't have the titanium around the outside, and that one's coming in at $19.99. And the pry bar is coming in at $50. So that's a titanium tritium inserted pry bar, and that one's coming in at $50. Really cool products from Glow Rhino, and we're really excited to see all the stuff that we've got from them and to see it in use. Really neat stuff, neat additions that you can make to your Benchmade bug out, your Griptilian, your Para 3s, or if you want to go ahead and just get one of Glow Rhino's knives that they make themselves. All fantastic products, and we're really excited to see what all they've got coming. Now, these are all in the green. I hear tell that they actually do have another color as well. They've got blue. So really excited to see that as well. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Let us know if you have any experience with tritium, if you can describe how bright it is. Like I said, we're going to try to get some shots of these, some B-roll that I can roll in and show you what these look like in the dark. But let us know your experience with tritium. Let us know what you think about them on a knife like this, and their usefulness like that. Folks, as always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Again, like, share, comment, subscribe, and remember, if it cuts like a Glow Rhino, then we carry it. Are you happy? What sound does a rhino make? So this, I don't, what? That was a unicorn, not a rhino. Rhino's gonna be. All right. Oh, Jesus. All right. A harumph. Anyways, this is a new product feature. No, I was doing it for real.